Yo, hello, 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 hello. It's time for science. It's time for science. I'm butting my coat. I'm butting my coat. And I'm reading. I'm reading. All right, boys and girls, welcome back to Science with Mr. Berglund. Remember, this is an asynchronous video, which means I'm not here. So, you are more than welcome. I want to encourage you all to pause this video after I ask a question and then discuss with your classmates and then press play when you're ready to continue. If you remember, the reason I'm not here is because I have a baby and I'm spending some time with her, but I will be back very soon. So, last time in class, we talked about pushes. Can anyone remind me or remind your classmates, what does it mean to push something? What does it mean to push something? Go ahead and pause this video. Remember, a push means to move an object away from you, right? This little lovely mother is pushing her children in a sled, right? She's moving them away from them, right? Now I want you to discuss with your classmates, what are some objects that you push in your everyday life? Right? We all do make a pushing motion many times in our lives. What are some objects that you push? Think about when you're at school, at home, with your friends. Right? I push a ball. When I go shopping, I push a shopping cart. Ooh, a little cereal. Ooh, is that milk? Yes, please. Ooh, can I get some green beans? Ooh, yummy, 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 right? You push objects, right? Did you know you could push yourself? How many of you have ever done a push-up before? We're going to do a little push-up contest. We're going to see if you can do 5 push-ups. Remember, because you're going to have to push your body away from yourself. So I'm going to do it with you, right? We're going to do 5 push-ups. So everyone, get in the push-up position. We're going to be down here. Can you see me? Hello. All right, here we go. And we're going to go down. 1, push yourself up. And 2, push yourself up. And 3, push yourself up. And 4, push yourself up. 1 more, everybody, for the 5th one. 5 push-ups. Oh, give yourself a round of applause. That might have been easier for some of you. Might have been more challenging, but I'm glad you tried. Okay, so we know that a push means to move an object away from you. But then what is the opposite of a push? Is there an object, what is it called when you move an object closer to you? Right? If moving the object away from yourself is pushing it, then when you move something closer to yourself, what is that called? Pause and discuss. Have you ever heard of a hood? Have you ever heard of a pull? Right? Here's a picture of the definition. The pull means bringing an object closer to yourself. Right? How many of you in the morning when you get dressed, do you ever have to really pull up your socks or pull up your shoes? I know that when I get ready, I have to go. I'm wearing ankle socks. You have to pull them up. Almost fell over there, right? But you have to pull up your socks, right? You're bringing the socks closer to your body. You're bringing them up closer to you, right? So when you pull an object, you bring it closer. If I took this book, right, it's on the table, I'm pulling it closer, right? To push, remember, push means to move an object away, and to pull means to bring something closer to yourself, something closer to your body. So I've just asked you, what are some objects that you push in your everyday life? Now I want you to discuss with your classmates, what are some objects that you pull in your everyday life? What about this, right? You're in a chair, right? You know, Miss Marabi, Miss Greg asked you to, all right, boys and girls, we're going to get up and leave for the day. Well, I want you to push your chairs in, right? So you'll push your chairs in, but when you're ready to come back out, you got to pull your chair out. so you can go back to sit in it, right? By pulling it, you're bringing it closer to your body, so that's one object. What, can you think of some other objects? Now, I have an activity I want you to do, and I'm not sure if you have the supplies at school, right? But hopefully you maybe have a rope that's long enough for all of you to use. I thought it'd be fun to have a tug of war, you know, where you can pull a rope, right? You want to pull it closer so that your team wins, your side wins, right? You can pull an object. Or if a tug of war is not going to work, I want you to go outside real quick, maybe for 2 to 3 minutes. And if you have a jump rope, if there are jump ropes available, go ahead, you can toss them out so they're flat and extended in front of you. And then I want you to see how fast you can pull them back safely, right? They may fly back, so I want you to quickly see how fast can you pull them back, right? Can you go, maybe it's going to take you a little bit slower. Okay, so please go outside maybe 3 to 5 minutes to do that activity, and then we're going to do one more thing for this lesson. So go ahead and pause this video to go outside. Now, boys and girls, the last part of today's lesson, it involves a little drawing activity. So along with the Ziploc bag that has all of the supplies in it, you have a worksheet, a packet of worksheets. And you'll see 2 worksheets, right? The first one is called push, and the second worksheet is called pull. And for each one, it's asked you to draw 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It asks you to draw pictures of 4 things that you push, right? So for example, if I was doing this, one thing I push is I push a ball. I push a ball. So I would draw a ball, and then I would write ball on top. Okay? And then once you're done with all 4, go to draw 4 pictures of things that you pull. Okay? So you're going to have to remember and be familiar with what a push is and what a pull is, and then draw 4 objects, 4 objects of pictures of objects that you push, and 4 pictures of objects that you pull. And then you're going to be done for this lesson. When you're done, I'm going to ask that you please take a picture of your work and upload it to the Seesaw activity. I would love to see your drawings and what you chose, objects that you decided that you push or you pull. I would love to see that. So thank you for your hard work, kindergartners. You're doing a great job. I miss you so much, but I can't wait to see you soon back in class. So have a fantastic rest of your day.